Good afternoon. My name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to be going over the all-new 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. We'll start off with the transom. This boat is powered with a 300 Mercury Verado, the new naturally aspirated motor. We've also equipped this boat along the transom with sea deck. Moving around, as you come into the cockpit, notice how spacious this is. One of the coolest features about the 250 is a sliding transom seat. Slide it forward. You're ready to entertain on the transom. All you have to do is slip the latch and you're ready to go back to position to move the boat, and you're ready to go underway. As we move forward to the helm seat area, notice both these seats do rock forward and aft, making this boat very entertaining for if you're sitting out on the water for the day. We have a built-in Simrad touchscreen, which it's all digital now with your digital touch gauges. You have a very spacious head. Notice you walk through the port side of this boat to enter the bow. Very unique, very spacious for a 25-foot boat. We'd like to thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.